Hello guys, make my hair growth hairspray with me. So with me I have my cloves and then I have rosemary. So I'm going to be turning this into my mixing bowl. This is rosemary. I'm going to be adding my cloves also. Then I'll add my hot water. Then I'll be leaving this to soak for 8 hours. So it's been 8 hours and our rosemary and cloves water is ready to be used. So I'm going to be straining the rosemary and cloves out so that I will get just the water. So this is what you are going to get after allowing your rosemary and cloves to soak in hot water for 8 hours. You can leave it longer than that, but my 8 hours is enough because of hot water. But if you're using cold water, you should allow it to soak for at least 24 hours. So now I'm going to be turning it into my spray bottle. So this is what it looks like. So you have to use this at least 3 times a week because guys, this water, it works, especially for those who have issues with their front hairs. I'm telling you that within 1 month you are going to see results. You will see results. I'm telling you, no jokes. For those of you that have watched my videos, you can see how my front hair is and how it was. So guys, don't sleep on this rosemary and cloves water. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.